to cinema and have some coffee with some cinnamon. I did it without a pillow, a little armadillo came a walking and talking inside my dreams just like a hero.
Can only hear my heartbeat.